today's class, we're going to learn how to solve simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. Okay, let's start with the first question. We are asked to find the value of x and y in this simultaneous equation. The first step is to identify the unknown that you want to eliminate. You see, we are having two unknowns. The first unknown is x and the second unknown is y. You understand? Let us call this equation 1 and let us call this equation 2. The first step is to identify the unknown that you want to eliminate. Should we eliminate x or should we eliminate y? Now, I'm going to eliminate x. You understand? Now, having identified the unknown that you want to eliminate, you have to modify both equations such that the coefficient of the unknown that you want to eliminate is the same for both equations. Listen to what I said again. The first step is to identify the unknown that you want to eliminate in both equations. The unknown that I want to eliminate is x. Now, having identified the unknown that you want to eliminate, the next step is to modify both equations such that the coefficient of the unknown that you want to eliminate is the same. You understand? So now, the coefficient of x in equation 2 is what? 2. Equation 1 is what? 2. The coefficient of x in equation 2 is what? 1. Now, I'm going to multiply the second equation by the coefficient of x in equation 1. You understand? Listen to what I said again. I'm going to multiply the second equation by the coefficient of x in equation 1. The coefficient of x in equation 1 is what? 2. And the coefficient of x in equation 2 is what? 1. You understand? So now, if I multiply the first equation by the coefficient of x in equation 2, which is 1, I'm still going to arrive at 2x plus y is equals to 4. You understand? So this is also giving something like this. 2x plus y is equals to 4, which is equation 1. Now, I'm going to modify equation 2 also. Equation 2 is what? X plus 2y equals to 2. I'm going to multiply this equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. The coefficient of x in equation 1 is what? 2. So I'm going to have this multiplied by 2. You understand? So for this, I'm going to have 2 multiplied by x is what? 2x. 2 multiplied by negative 2y is what? Negative 4y. And 2 multiplied by equals to 2 multiplied by 2 is what? 4. You understand? Please pay attention. Now you can see that this equation 2 has now they are now both x in this equation are now having the same coefficient. You understand? That's what I mean by modifying. You understand? You have to modify both equations such that the unknown that you want to eliminate, their coefficient is going to be the same for both equations. Do you understand? Okay. Now you can see that the coefficient of x in both equations are now the same. You can see I multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2, and I multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. You understand? The coefficient of x in equation 2 is what? 1. So I multiply this equation by 1, which is also giving me this, and I multiply this equation by 2. I arrive at this. You understand? So I have modified the equation now. The next step here is that I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. You understand? I'm going to subtract equation 2 for equation 1. And the reason I'm subtracting is because both equations are positive. You understand? The signs are the same. The signs of the coefficient of x in equation 1 is also the same thing as the signs of coefficient of x in equation 2. If I had both equations, I'm not going to eliminate x. And my aim is to eliminate x. So I'm going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. You understand? So I'm going to add a subtraction sign. Let's say I'm having a positive sign here and I'm having a negative sign here. I'm going to add both equations. But because both signs for the coefficient of x in both equations are the same, I'm going to subtract. Do you understand? If the signs are different, I'm going to add. Okay? So by so doing, I'm going to eliminate x. 2x minus 2x. What's the answer? That is what? 0. In that case, I've already eliminated x. That is 2x minus 2x. That is 0. Plus 4y minus 4y. Do you understand? Plus 4y minus 4y. You understand? Is equals to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So let me just write it. Okay, 4 minus 4. 2x minus 2x, that is what? 0. Okay, so I'm left with what? 4y minus 4y is equals to 0. Okay, now 4y minus 4y. That we got 4y plus 4y. 4y plus 4y, okay, equals to 0. For this, 8y is equals to 0. That means y is equals to 0. Now, having gotten the value of y as 0, to get the value of x, we have to substitute the value of y into any of the equation, you understand? Should we use equation 1 or equation 2? Let's use equation 1. Equation 1 is what? 2x plus y equals to 4. Now, when y is 0, I'm going to have 2x plus 0 equals to 4. So 2x equals to 4. Divide both sides by 2. That means that x will be equals to 2. You understand? Hence, the value of x and y is 2 and 0 respectively. Do you understand? To learn more about how to solve an simultaneous linear equation using elimination method, you can check the description of this video, okay? I've solved series of questions, okay? See you in the next class. To watch the next class, kindly check the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Click on that link. Or you should check the playlist on this channel, okay? See you in the next class.